Hello, this is Greg Frost, CFO of Hartford Funds, and you are listening to the CFO Thought Leader Podcast. To be a new CFO while the credit crisis is happening inside of a firm that was a little bit old, had too much leverage. I got to learn a whole different skill set that I didn't necessarily know in '07, and I think that, again, I look back at that, as hard as it was going through that crisis and trying to figure out company structure and how it's all going to work, dealing with rating agencies, investors, and sell-side analysts. I look back now, and I just, at some point along the way, I realized that I can't control the market, and the market's going to do what it's going to do. And I really sat back and said, the only thing I can do here, I can really stress about it, or I can sit back and learn. But boy, what an opportunity to sit and watch board meetings and board interactions with people with a lot more experience than I've had, and how they think through what was happening with the credit markets and what was happening with the business.